Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use quick analysis in Excel. So here you can see I have Excel data. So here I'm going to use quick analysis on the total price column. Okay. So simply select the entire column and you can see here the in corner point showing the one option. This is a quick analysis. Simply click on it and your quick analysis open. If you want to get the sum total, just go to the total tabs and click on the sum. And that's it. Here the sum total is get 8. Okay. Again, I click on the quick analysis. If you want to create the charts, go to the charts tab and you can select the chart as you want. And here your charts is ready. Okay. And the third way, I select here the again column, click on entire column and click on the quick analysis. And if you want to use different formatting option, in formatting tab you can see their data bar, okay, color codes, okay, icon set is available. Simply click on it and apply it. That's it. Okay, again I select the entire column, click on the quick analysis and go to the tables tab, and here you can create the pivot table also, and you can convert this data into table also. You can check the preview also here. When you keep cursor on the every table, you can check the preview. After check the preview, you can just click on it and you can quickly create your pivot table. Okay, within a second. Again, I click on the quick analysis and here the sparkline last tab. Okay, and here you can see the line sparkline column win or loss. Okay, so I click on the column and here you see the sparkline is added. Okay, you can use the above formatting option to format your sparkline. Okay, in sparkline tab. Okay, so this is the way you can use the so many option in quick analysis in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.